Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're diving straight into how you can monitor project performance using Zoho Project. Let's get started. First up, navigate to your project's dashboard. This is where you'll find an overview of your project's performance. The reason we start here is because it gives us a quick snapshot of how things are going. Next, check out the Task and Issue Progress Report. This report shows the progress of tasks and issues in your project. It's important as it provides a clear picture of what has been accomplished and what still needs attention. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the Resource Utilization Report. This report tells you how effectively your resources are being used. This helps us because it allows us to identify any bottlenecks and take corrective action. And lastly, don't forget to take a look at the Time Log Report. This tells you how much time your team is spending on various tasks. It's an important step because it can help you identify if any tasks are taking longer than expected, so you can adjust your plan accordingly. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to effectively monitor your project's performance in Zoho Project. Remember, regular monitoring is key to successful project management, so keep an eye on these reports and make adjustments as needed. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.